Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Today we are looking at a simple but extremely useful product that helps you organize the kitchen better. This is a lightweight aluminum kitchen shelf. It is sold by the Kawachi Group and is available on Amazon India. Link to purchase this product is included in the video description. This organizer includes a shelf, 2 cutlery holders, 1 hanging rod, and 6 hanging hooks. It is extremely easy to assemble and install and helps organize your frequently used cooking essentials all in one place. Now let's go ahead and have a look at how to assemble this shelf. First, I'm going to remove the cutlery holders and keep them aside. The first step in the installation is to install the 6 hanging hooks that are provided with the product. You need to do that before installing the hanging rod, else the hooks won't pass through the groove at the bottom. Flip the shelf onto the back just as I have done in the video. You can see an opening in the groove at the bottom. This is where the hooks are supposed to slide in. To attach the hook, simply place it at the opening and slide it through the groove. Repeat the process for the remaining 5 hooks. All the hooks are now securely attached to the shelf. Next, we are going to install this hanging rod. The hanging rod gets attached to the shelf at the top where you see these 2 holes, one at the corner here and the other one towards the center. This is where the rod will be attached to the shelf using the 2 included small screws. I'm going to flip the shelf over so that I can show you how I'm attaching the hanging rod. Take the hanging rod and align it with the screw at the back. Pass the screw through the hole. And using a screwdriver, tighten the screw in place. Repeat the process for the other screw as well. Now that both screws have been attached securely, your hanging rod is ready. I'm going to flip it back to vertical position. Now we can slide the cutlery holders through the holes at the top. It's very simple to attach the cutlery holders and they simply slide through the hole right into place just like that. And with that done, your shelf is assembled and ready for use. The last step in the process is to attach the shelf to the wall. For that, take the wall attachment of the shelf, attach it to the wall using the 2 provided screws, and then the shelf can be simply hung over the attachment on the wall and can be easily removed for cleaning whenever you want. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this product. Thanks for watching the video. Do leave your feedback in comments and do subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you.